Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're all driving our Chevy C10. There you can see our classic instruments gauges working. Got vintage air, stereo, classic stereo, tilt wheel. Nice driving truck. Goes down the road good. We calibrated steering wheel and tach, so they're correct. All the gauges are working. Nice driving truck, goes down the road nice. I got the window down because it's a really nice day in South Dakota. Even as you can see the snow in the ditches. Doesn't pull to the roadside or anything. You kind of just a couple fingers on there, and steering wheel nice and straight. It looks like they put an SS Monte Carlo steering wheel on there. Nice build, nice truck, runs, drives, looks good. So 350, 3-speed, power steering, power brakes, of course, with, as I said, with vintage air. So nice little setup, good looking wheels, 22-inch wheels. 605-695-7391.